welcome to Not Just Carrots. I'm Dr. Amanda Steele, and I'm an optometrist with MyEyeDr from Raleigh, North Carolina.
And I'm Dr. Artis, Beatty, Chief Medical Officer, also from Raleigh, North Carolina.
We all know that dessert is our favorite part of the meal, and we're here to show you how to make a recipe that is not only delicious, but also full of eye-healthy vitamins. Today we're making grilled pineapple sundaes.
A quick turn on the grill does wonders for all kinds of fruit, especially pineapple. It brings out natural flavors without having to add any sugar. Besides being a great source of vitamin C, antioxidants, and minerals like manganese and potassium, pineapple is a good source of beta-carotene, which is essential for eye health. I couldn't wait to make this. Dessert is my favorite meal.
Don't forget to stop by our YouTube channel and My Eye Doctor's blog, where you can see all of our Not Just Carrots episodes and recipes.